Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream without beater updated. Start by chilling your cream in jar, then pour 1 cup cream and 2 tablespoons sugar into a mason jar. Seal it well, then shake with steady, rhythmic movements for 3 to 5 minutes. Check for soft peaks by tilting the jar, and stop once you reach the desired creaminess. Chill briefly before serving for best texture. If you lack a beater, grab a large, chilled bowl and a sturdy whisk. Pour 1 cup cold heavy cream and whisk with quick circular motions, keeping your wrist loose to avoid fatigue. Expect about 6 to 8 minutes for medium peaks, and consider adding 1 tsp vanilla or 1 tablespoon powdered sugar in the last minute. Rest briefly if your arm tires, then whisk again to reach the right texture. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, quick recommendation. I use leak-proof containers to store whipped cream and avoid spills, making transport and prep so much easier. They keep things tidy and save cleanup time, which pairs nicely with jar-shaken cream or whisked batches. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Cold tools and patience are your allies when you have no electric beater. Use heavy or whipping cream for stability and chill the bowl and whisk first. Whisk steadily and stop at soft or medium peaks to avoid graininess. If you need it to hold longer, dissolve 1/4 teaspoon gelatin in a little warm water and fold it in gently. Taste and adjust sweetness before serving for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.